Hey guys, are you ready for Christmas? I have a couple of requests on how do I organize my space. The truth is, my table has always been a mess, so I've decided to tidy up. I've set up my temporary work table during this pandemic, so me and Lewis can work in separate rooms. That's why I do not have any drawers or storage spaces. The more flour I've made, the crazier my table has become. Paints, paper, templates, tools have covered half of my table, and the other half I have to keep it empty for filming. I've decided to invest in one of these super drawers. It has 24 small drawers and 6 bigger ones. Very basic but very useful. Let's tidy up. First of all, hard drives. Very useful for storing footages. Then my second secret weapon, small plastic bags. They are great for storing templates. I'm putting every design of mine in individual bags, so they won't mix up or get lost. I've used to store them in some fold-up paper when I run out of my bags. Now I can finally unite all of them. I can't believe they need 2 big drawers. Next, glue sticks. Then we move on to the smaller drawers. I love reusing my scrap paper for testing or small flowers. I've put all the small paper and offcuts according to its color. You might not have enough drawers, so you can mix 1 or 2 colors together. I would suggest you to mix them with contrast colors, so you can identify them immediately. For example, light green with dark blue. Tools are going into another big drawer. My tweezers, small scissors, wire cutters, pliers are all here. Small paints in one of the small ones. I also have lots of wire offcuts. I'm separating them according to their thickness. I will still keep the longer wires aside in one of my glass bottles. I will only put the small papers in the drawers and left the longer ones in a jar. Paint brushes and big scissors in another jar. Flower tape in a big drawer. I use another rigid box to store my paints, the jars and the glues. And now my table is clean. A little secret on my desk. I have an English Thesaurus for my essay writing in the old times. Now it turned into my unprofessional pressed flower dictionary. I've kept a few flowers that I've been given, so I can refer to them when I make my own. I still keep my ongoing scrap paper box, some old samples, and my lovely drawers. Above the drawers, I'm storing some of my glass jars with bigger piece of paper, big scissors, and paints, etc. And that's it. Thank you for tidying up with me. I hope it might inspire you to organize your space. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. See you guys next week.